Welcome back to Home Comfort Tactics. I'm Eric Gans, and today we're going to navigate the waters of the HEEHR program. It's an integral part of the Inflation Reduction Act's approach to residential energy efficiency. So imagine you're at a home appliance store and there are rows upon rows of sleek, modern appliances, from heat pumps to electric stoves. Now, what if I told you that a rebate could cover a chunk of the price tag? That's basically what the HEEHR program is in action. So what does HEEHR stand for? It stands for the Home Electrification and Appliance Rebates. This program is armed with a budget of $4.4 billion, and it's designed to benefit low and moderate income households. The beauty of the HEEHR lies in its simplicity. It offers point-of-sale rebates. This means the discount can be applied right when you purchase whatever machine it is that you need to buy. So that's going to reduce the upfront cost barrier for many folks. So let's use this as an example. Let's take Emily. She's a single mom. She lives in a cozy townhouse. She's been wanting to replace her old energy-guzzling water heater, and with the HEEHR program, she's looking at a rebate up to $1,750 towards the cost of a heat pump water heater. But it's not just about water heaters. Imagine upgrading to an energy-efficient electric stove or adding insulation to your home. The HEEHR program has a variety of rebates, each aiming to make your home more energy efficient and reduce those bills. So let's delve a little bit more into the specifics. For instance, the heat pump rebate can go as high as $8,000. And for something like electric wiring upgrades, because some homes are going to need that to accommodate some of these, newer products and newer appliances, you can get up to $2,500 towards the cost of that. Now, these numbers can be game changers for many families. So how does it exactly work? Well, the process is designed to be user-friendly. The rebates are applied directly at the point of sale, making it hassle-free. There's no need for complex paperwork or waiting for reimbursement. But remember, these rebates are especially for low and moderate income households. The HEEHR program isn't just about immediate savings. It's an investment in a sustainable future. Each energy-efficient appliance installed is a step towards reducing our carbon footprint. As we wrap up today, imagine a world where energy efficiency is accessible, where upgrading to a greener home doesn't mean breaking the bank. That's basically the world that we're going to be living in once these programs roll out. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening wherever you are. My name is Eric Gans. I am a certified energy auditor in Maryland, and what I do here, just to remind everybody, is I am just taking to the airwaves and trying to speak to people in the ways in which I used to think and help them graduate over to the ways that I now think. And it'll surprise you that just learning a few key things about what's going on around your house can really make a huge difference in your comfort as well as your energy. So thanks again. I'm Eric Mann, signing off.